Hello, my wonderful people. Today I want to talk about how you can use the four elements. No, we have five, but the one that people recognize more is the four elements. But they don't know that the five elements also have role to play in our life. Though all of them, the five of them, are forces that works for us. Alright guys, before I go with my teaching, if you're seeing my face for the first time, this is mmiri. I'm from Boy State, Nigeria, and that is where I live. Here I talk about health and spiritual tips. Here I teach you how life is made easy with herbs, roots, and animal. Eji m okwu ọnụ na mmiri nakwa ihe niile dịka Chukwu ji wee kee ya wee na-azọ ndụ. Ekwela okwu m ya azọ gị ndụ. And in case you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload in this channel, you'll be the first to get notified. And for my returning subscribers, you're welcome. Thank you for being part of this wonderful family. Alright, let's get into the teaching. You know, we have the sun. We have the wind, we have the earth, we have the water, then we have spirit. These make up the five elements that we have. Air, earth, fire, water, spirit. For those of you that are new babies in spirituality, all these things are forces that you need to connect with to be able to get what you need. These are gods on their own. Understand that these spirits are not created, was not created by any man. You came to this world, you met it, like the air, the earth, Mother Earth, the sun, that is fire, water, and some spirits that you cannot see but you feel them. These are forces that you need to connect with. Though you connect with them unknowingly in your day-to-day life, you need them to sustain yourself here on earth. They are the one that you need their help. This spirit was not created, even in your Bible. This was not part of what the God that was making creation in the Bible created. It was not, they did not say God created water, God created air. No. God created other things and not air, earth, water. These are forces that came to save mankind. So for you to connect with them, Mother Earth, ihe na-akpọ iru ama obodo. Anyị na-akpọ ya in Afikpo, Ebonyi State, Ihuezi. Go there, carry sand, or you stand there. It's not a must that you must stand there. You can carry sand in your hand. It's enough for you to connect to Mother Earth, wherever you are. Carry it, say your intention. If you have kola nut, break it there. That is, if you are putting it in a calabash, break it inside there. Put one for them, throw the other one to other spirits that are passing by. And if you come to Mother Earth is a female deity, is a feminine energy. Yes, Mother Earth is a feminine energy. So when you are addressing her, address her as a compassionate and loving mother. Talk to her. But the spirits that surround her, that works hand in hand with her, are masculine energy. So as a newborn into awakening, understand that Mother Earth is a female energy, is a feminine energy. And to connect with her, you need to pack sand. Stand barefooted. If you want to give her any sacrifice, you give her a female Hen, you give her hen, black one if you want, is good for her. Use it to sacrifice to her. Concerning whatever you need, she will grant your request. Yes, she will grant your request. If you cannot do it wherever you are, you can give it to somebody that can help you do it. You know why I do not teach some spiritual works here is because when I teach it to you, when you do it, it might not work for you, because me, after doing it for somebody, I have forces that are working with me that I go to sacrifice to on behalf of the work I did for them to make that work to become effective. You don't have such spirit. That is why most of it I will say, Mama, teach us some ritual. Though there is some little rituals I will be teaching you, like this one I'm saying now. Please do it and it will help you. You don't need the help of a spiritualist to do this one. If you can access land where you are and you can get cola and hot drink, you can add it. You can use hen if you want to sacrifice. That is, if where you are, you can get it. Moving further to the sun, that is also fire element. Sun is the easiest deity to connect with, because through the sun, you connect with other entities of power, your spiritual guides and the rest. You connect with them. That is why some spiritualists, you see them early morning, they start doing work of somebody that is not around. They connect with the person through that sun. The entities of powers that work with the person's spiritual growth through that sun. Early morning sun, 9 o'clock. Use cola. Talk to the sun. Summon whatever energy you want to summon through that sun. You see it working perfectly. It works perfectly well. All right. Then you say your intention. You can use cola, you can use native egg. If you cannot get native egg, you can get any agric egg, it's fine. But if you can get native egg, use it to connect with the sun. Summon any energy you want to summon through the sun. It works. Or you use cola. After that, if you use cola, break it, eat from it and drop the other one on the floor. Or when you're using native egg, smash it right in front of where you're standing. You can use it to appease any spirit that is disturbing you. Call it down through the sun if you know one. All right. Then when you come to water, we know there are some waters that do not want you to spill blood on them while connecting with them. They are pure and neat spirits. You have not ever seen anybody that is drowned in the water. You see blood in the person's body. If not only when the fish comes to feed on the person's corpse, but you will not see any blood on the person's body. So they like their things neat. So whatever you want to give to them, you want to connect with them, you must prepare yourself to be neat, both inward and outward. You be neat, everything. You maintain clean sanity. Your sanity must be pure. Everything about you must be neat before you meet them with whatever thing you have. But water people, they love sweet smelling incense. They like perfume. Whatever your spirit desire, like fruits, you take it. Like wine, honey, you take it to them. Sweet items, you take it to them. You ask for whatever you want from them, depending on the kind of things you need from them. Are you getting me? Then air is also a strong force. But in this case, you need a natural environment, place that is very, very peaceful and calm, so that you can be able to connect, because instantly you receive the answer to what you're asking there. That is why even though you're building your house, please do not cut down all the trees. They are there for a purpose. Keep some so that you see that thing you're asking for. The air will give it to you. When you're doing it, you use incense. You light your candle. See how things will work depending on what you're asking the air to do for you. Air and water works hand in hand. Yes. So you do that, you see yourself connecting with them with any force you want through these four elements. And of course, spirits that walks around. The last one is the spirit. Of course, we have good spirit and we have bad spirit. It depends on the one you summon. That is the one that is coming to answer you, to do what you want the spirit to do. But remember that everything has price. You will pay the price. If you and the spirit reach to agreement, if you can offer whatever the spirit wants you to offer, then your request will be granted. All these deity you meet are forces, are spirits. They don't have this physical body. It's what you give to them that they will use to manifest what you want for you. So you use them for your own good. Okike has bring them and keep it in your own disposal. Is for you to make use of them the way you want and use them properly. You see yourself going higher. You see, when you understand the spiritual code of the universe, you'll be blessed and people around you shall benefit from it. All right, guys, thank you guys for hanging out with me. Please, if you have any question, comment on the comment section below. All right, in case you need any of our products or services, you can chat us on our only WhatsApp number on the screen. Distance is not a barrier. We can get to you wherever you are. All right, see you guys on my next video. I love you guys. Bye.